Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. 10 force to naturally kill parasites in the body and boost your immune system. Parasites can live inside your body and rob you of essential nutrients, sapping your energy. Luckily, there are key foods that kill parasites while also boosting your overall health. Parasites are a class of living organisms that feed off nutrients and energy from their host. They can live in organs like your liver and also dwell in the digestive tract. Some types of bacteria and parasites are begin when their number are controlled and balanced by other good bacteria in our bodies. However, when these parasites start to multiply and cause inflammation and other side effects, they result in what is considered a parasite infection. The most popular type of parasite infections are: number 1, flukes. These flatworms can be ingested by eating contaminated raw foods like fish, crabs, or crayfish. The most common type of fluke is the liver fluke, which infect your liver and can cause liver, gallbladder, and bile duct disease if left untreated. Number 2, tapeworm. Tapeworm can also be contracted from contaminated raw foods and water, but also from infected pets. They can live in your digestive tract but also migrate to other areas of your body. Number 3, pinworm. Pinworms are relatively harmless and are common in children. They are easily contracted by coming into contact with their eggs from contaminated sources such as bedding or pets and then touching your mouth. Number 4, Giardia. Giardia is a parasite that infects your small intestine and is often contracted by drinking contaminated water, eating contaminated food, and touching or other personal contact with contaminated substances. Number 5, Vachyuria. Vachyuria is a parasite worm that can infect your immune system. While it is most commonly found in third world countries, it is spread by mosquitoes, making it easily to contract in the outdoors. What causes parasites? If you have ever been told not to drink the water in certain countries, it's because of potential parasite contamination. However, parasite infections are not limited to developing countries. In fact, they are more prevalent in our environment than we may think, especially if we have pets. The reason for this is our animals are in direct contact with dirt and other living areas for parasites, where they can more easily pick them up and pass them on to us. Also, parasites and their larvae are often so small our naked eye can't see them. Therefore, they can easily make their way into our bodies through our foods and touching our faces with our hands. Some parasites can even infect us through mosquitoes or other insects. While some parasite infections have little to no symptoms, others have a more severe impact. Some common symptoms of parasites are chronic fatigue, digestive issues, skin infection, fever, nausea, unexplained weight loss, headache. If you suspect you have a parasite, consult your doctor immediately so they can run a blood test, a fecal exam, or even take X-ray or perform an endoscopy if necessary. Why you want to treat parasites as soon as possible? Not only can some parasites cause disease, but they can also cause organ damage and even suppress certain processes of our immune system in order to survive. In addition, they can rob our bodies of essential nutrients which can cause a lack of energy and lower our immune system further. 10 foods that naturally kill parasites in humans. Several foods can help in the fight against parasites. Even if you don't have any infection or symptoms, the compounds in these foods can help kill any would-be invaders and even boost your immunity. 1. Garlic. Garlic is widely known for its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, and studies show that it can help kill parasites, especially specific type called nematodes. One study in particular found that crushed garlic was 91.24% effective at killing the infection in naturally infected mice. For best result, chop up garlic and let it sit for several minutes so it can release its beneficial microbe-fighting compounds. Then consume it raw by mixing it into a salsa or salad dressing or spreading on paleo-friendly toast. 2. Onions. People have used onion as a traditional remedy for parasites for hundreds of years. Onion contain various sulfur metabolites that help inhibit compounds inside parasite necessary for its survival. For best result, eat garlic and onion together for a synergistic effect. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain compounds that are particularly effective against tapeworms and nematodes. They help paralyze parasites, which prevent them from holding on the walls of your digestive tract so they can be passed through your stool. In one study done on mice, pumpkin seed extract showed to inhibit the growth of other certain of nematodes parasites. Add a dash of pumpkin seed to your daily salad or have a handful as a snack. Number 4. Papaya seeds. Papaya seed can help clear intestinal parasites. One study found that combining papaya seed with honey had a parasite clearing rate of between 71% and 100% in Nigerian children infected with intestinal parasites. Don't discard the seeds when you eat papaya and be sure to drizzle a little honey on top for good measure. Number 5. Carrots. While there are no drug studies linking carrot consumption and parasites, there are studies that show that low level of vitamin A and beta-carotene levels are associated with parasite infection in cattle. There's no harm in adding more fresh veggies to your diet, so roast them as a hearty dinner side or toast shredded carrots into your salads or ensure you are getting plenty of vitamin E and beta-carotene. Number 6. Coconut. As if you needed another reason to indulge in coconut, it's also effective at fighting parasites. Specifically, study shows that coconut medium chain fatty acids are able to kill the intestinal parasite Giardia, which is responsible for causing diarrhea. Saute your veggies and meat in coconut oil, add it to your coffee or blend it into your favorite smoothie. Number 7. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are naturally rich in vitamin E, and research finds that vitamin E can help improve immune resistance to nematode infection in livestock. This means that vitamin E-rich food like sunflower seeds could help fight parasite infection by boosting your immunity. Enjoy a handful of sunflower seeds as a healthy snack. Number 8. Fermented food. Not only help keep your digestion running smoothly due to their high content of probiotics, but they can also help fight parasites. Studies show that probiotics present in fermented food help block parasites and microbes from getting certain nutrients they need to survive while also boosting your natural immunity against them. Eat a daily serving fermented food like coconut kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, or non-dairy yogurt. 9. Berries. Berries are rich in a class of antioxidant called polyphenol. Studies show these are able to inhibit the growth and spread of the intestinal parasite Giardia. Researchers believe this effect could also be due to the presence of a compound called alligatonin found in berries. Add a cup of strawberries, blueberries, or blackberries to your daily regime. Number 10. Raw honey. Raw honey contains antimicrobial, antibacterial properties that can help fight pathogens. In addition, raw honey provides an abundance of antioxidant compounds that can boost your natural immunity, which can help keep parasites at bay. The bottom line, many common foods contain natural compounds that can help fight and kill parasites. Give any of above foods a try to help keep bed bugs at bay. But be sure to visit your doctor if you suspect you have a parasites infection. They will be able to provide you with additional remedies to take care of it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.